Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Hobbies and Craft. Today's project is a resin name stand, and as usual I've pre-mixed my two-part resin, and I'll be using a silver gold leaf and a grey color makeup powder for this project. So please enjoy. So I'm starting off spraying some alcohol just to reduce the bubbles. And here I'm just pouring the resin into the various alphabet that I need to make the name stand. And so this is 24 hours later. The resin is all dry and I'm popping them out from the mold. The next stage is to apply glue to the base of the alphabet and thereafter put them on the base, and I'm using a bookmark mold for the base. I've already put the resin I've already done that before now, but the video, I don't know how the video got out of my phone, but I'll be using a bookmark mold for the base. And so here I'm fixing the alphabet on the mold. You can see the mold is already dry. I've already put the resin, so I'm just fixing it, and I allow the glue to dry for some time, for like maybe 3 minutes, so that it can glue. If it didn't dry, it would not glue properly. It won't stand. So that's the nature of that particular glue that I use. It has to stay, the hair has to glue on it for some time for it to work appropriately. So as you can see, I'm trying to arrange the alphabet on the stand. I'm ungluing, but I need a final seal on it, so I'm going to be applying another layer of resin just to secure it, so that I won't wake up one day and it's falling apart. So I'm putting another layer of resin on it just to secure it. And so this is the final outcome. Don't you love it? I really love it. And if you like this project, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and please look out for my next video. Thank you. See you soon.